Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of robotic vacuums. We'll be comparing the Tikom Robot Vacuum and the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the Tikom Robot Vacuum. Priced at $299, this robot vacuum offers a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping function, ensuring a completely clean home. With its gyroscope smart navigation, the G8000 follows an efficient zigzag path, improving cleaning efficiency by 30% compared to random path vacuums. It's perfect for short and medium pile carpets and hardwood floors thanks to its 2700 PA suction power. And when the battery is low, it automatically returns to its charging station. You can control it via the app, which offers 5 cleaning modes, or even connect it to Alexa or Google Home. Additionally, the G8000 comes with boundary strips to set non-go areas. Now let's move on to the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum. Priced at $1,299. This vacuum offers the ultimate convenience with its Roborock Ultra. With 5,500 pascals hyperforce suction, it effectively cleans both floors and carpets. The upgraded floating rubber brush ensures a thorough clean on uneven surfaces. The S7 Max Ultra features reactive tech obstacle avoidance, detecting and avoiding objects on the floor, making your cleaning experience hassle-free. It can even suggest no-go zones automatically. The Roborock mopping system scrubs at an impressive rate of 3,000 times per minute, leaving less dirt behind compared to spinning mops. And with auto mop lifting, it knows when to lift and lower the mop based on the floor surface. Let's start the comparison with the price. The Tikom Robot Vacuum comes in at $299, while the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum is priced at $1,299. As you can see, there's a significant price difference between the two. If you're on a budget, the Tikom Robot Vacuum might be the more affordable option for you. Next up, let's compare the cleaning performance. Both vacuums offer powerful suction, with the Tikom Robot Vacuum providing 2700 PA, and the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum boasting 5500 PA hyperforce suction. With its higher suction power, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra might have the edge when it comes to deep cleaning carpets and floors. Moving on to smart features, the Tikom Robot Vacuum offers app, voice, and remote control options. You can easily control it through the app, choose from 5 cleaning modes, and even connect it to your smart home devices. On the other hand, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra also offers app control and can suggest no-go zones automatically. It's a tough call, but both vacuums provide excellent smart features. Let's talk about the mopping function. The Tikom Robot Vacuum has a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping feature, allowing you to enjoy a completely clean home. Meanwhile, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra takes mopping to the next level with its Roborock mopping system, which removes dried stains more effectively than traditional robot mops. If mopping is a priority for you, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra might be the better choice. Based on online reviews, the Tikom Robot Vacuum is highly effective and efficient, with advanced mapping technology and a dual mopping system. Reviewers praise its long battery life, multiple cleaning modes, and convenient controls. On the other hand, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum is considered the best vacuum by many reviewers. It offers excellent cleaning performance, obstacle avoidance, and a thorough mopping system. However, some reviewers mention the need for improvements in the app interface and missing features. And there you have it. The comparison between the Tikom Robot Vacuum and the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum. Both vacuums have their strengths, so it ultimately depends on your needs and budget. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information and pricing. If you found this comparison helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Buy Smart videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.